There are 10 easy steps to making kombucha. Check the video description to skip forward or backwards to each step. Here is a list of the ingredients and equipment you will need. An easy way to make kombucha is using a kit. Here we are using the Oregon Kombucha Pear Ginger Black Tea Kombucha Kit. The link to this kit is in the description as well. The first step is to boil water and add the tea bag. You can use tap water or bottled water, but don't use water from water filters like this one, because they can sometimes cause mold to grow in your kombucha. Steep the tea for 5 to 10 minutes, then remove the tea bag. Add 1 cup of sugar and stir until dissolved. Transfer the tea to the jar and fill almost all the way up to the top with water. Let your kombucha cool until it is less than 100 degrees. Carefully place the SCOBY on top of the jar and add the starter liquid. Next, cover the container with a breathable cloth and rubber band into place. Store your kombucha in temperatures of 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. If you put your kombucha in a cabinet, make sure to leave the door open a little because it needs fresh air. You can start taste testing your kombucha on day 5. Kombucha can take anywhere from 10 to 20 days to ferment properly. When it is a good mixture of sweet and tangy, your kombucha is ready to bottle. Before you bottle, it's important to remember to scoop out 1 to 2 cups of liquid so that you can use this as starter liquid for your next batch. Bottle your kombucha. Add any flavorings, like fruit or extracts. Leave the bottles in room temperature to carbonate, and after 2 to 4 days, refrigerate. Congrats! You've made kombucha. Enjoy!